I can't think of a better way to spend money than on children and on giving children a secure present and a better future. And even though we've seen all the difficulties that they face, it's obvious that this kind of investment from the European Union makes a difference to people's everyday lives. These girls are older, of course, and they help look after the younger ones, but most of them are 3 or 4 years old, so they're learning songs. Some of them learn a few words of English. I know some of their names. And what's obvious is that they are really curious to learn. They want to know more about us and what we are doing here. We are here in the glorious sunshine in Ramallah. We've just had a very successful meeting with the Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Palestinian government. One of the messages we got was that the European Union can and should be doing a lot more. That the European Union could play a key role.
So besides the flags of all the countries that have real presence here in Ramallah, in Palestine. And the work to do is just to do the pass from presence to recognition, and from recognition to peace. That's the way we have ahead.